we pride ourselves at Bosch with pressure washers that are pretty much ready to use straight out of the box. There's no fitting of wheels or any significant self-assembly, so within minutes really you're ready to rock and roll and clean that patio or blast the mud off your 4x4. So we're looking at the AQT45-14X out of the box, pretty much ready to use. The only assembly required really, save a bit of space in the box, is the supplied as standard patio cleaner. It's just a question of dropping this piece into the top of it, and then we have the rotating bar with the nozzles on the end to go underneath. This is pretty much a quick fit. You just push and tighten the threaded ring there, and that's ready to go. It has the pressurized water comes through, that spins and does the bit, avoids all that annoying splashback when you're cleaning the patio or the decking. So quite straightforward, put together in seconds. But apart from that, everything else is ready to use. We have an input filter, or that's where you connect your garden hose, your water supply on the front here. And this is metal to make it a little bit more rugged. It's the sort of thing that might get knocked or kicked when in use. So it's an aluminium metal construction there. There's a filter inside which you can take out and clean if you see through the little windows there that it's clogged up. And then this is a standard quick fit hose connection there that you'll find on most garden hoses now. That's just below the on-off switch where you power the thing on and off. The high pressure hose on this one is on board. It's on a reel here, so it's kept really tidy on top of the machine. The handle is telescopic, so push a button on the side and lift it out when you use it, and obviously drop it down to make it a bit smaller for storage when you're not using it. We have a cranking handle here, so you pull that out from the product, bring down the handle itself, and then you can feed out the high pressure hose. There's no need to connect that to the machine, it's already pre-connected. And then we have the various lances and nozzles here. So if we turn the product round, it's got big solid rubber tires on here, so it doesn't leave marks and doesn't make a horrible row when you're dragging it around. We've got a couple of lances here. They were fitted as per the box. We didn't put those on. That's how it comes out of the box. So this one is an adjustable fan nozzle, which you'd be using for vehicle cleaning, for example. And on the other side, we have a roto nozzle, which gives you a very aggressive cleaning action thanks to a rotary device in the end there. Also very useful. In the back there's a little storage depot there for your detergent bottle. That's also supplied as standard, so you could add detergent to the cleaning process, and this goes on the end of the lance. But it's very important to keep the pressure low here, so we have an adapter which you install on the detergent bottle, and then you can start to build up the lance if you were doing that just by clicking that on and building it up. The main trigger for the lance is on the side here, stowed away nice and securely. You push the button here and lift the trigger and it comes out, and then just to sort of show you and we're ready to go with the detergent, and that's just for applying the detergent. Obviously then you'd use the higher pressure mode to take the detergent off. Another standard attachment here, which comes with I think the entire range of the AQTs, is this right angled nozzle, which again you can put on the end of the lance, and this allows you to get under wheel arches to clean out mud from a vehicle, for example, get into those tricky places. So that's all supplied as standard, and that's it basically. Everything's thought of. Let's give it a go and see how it works.